This is the StarV MYVU AR glasses, a pair of glasses which can translate and navigate for you. Let's jump in. Let's start with unboxing. There's a USB-C cable, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and the manual. The glasses come in a nice carrying case which has a magnetic flip cover. The inside is lined with a nice soft suede-like material. And here are the MYVU AR glasses. These are available in 3 colors: enamel gray, forest blue, and elegant gold. The retail price on these is $599 on their website, but currently marked down on sale to $299. The glasses are fairly light at 43 grams and don't cause any strain during long periods of use. The bands are somewhat flexible, giving you an 18-degree range of flexibility. There are built-in speakers on the bands, as well as a microphone. There's also a USB-C port for charging on one of the bands. There's a power button on one band, and it also has a touch button feature built in, so you can tap or swipe on the side to control the glasses or navigate through the settings. With a 183 mAh battery, you can look forward to getting about 4 hours of conference or music time and about 2 hours of navigation time. The battery also charges 80% in 30 minutes. What's cool about these is that you have an AI assistant with you to help you out. Just say, "Hey AC," and ask a question or ask for help with a task. Once you install the MYVU AR app on your smartphone, you'll need to create an account and log in. Then bind the glasses to the app. On the app, you can use the touchpad to navigate around. You can adjust the volume, the brightness, and the settings. You can pull up navigation or directions easily and see where you're going right in front of your eyes. This would also be useful for bikers. You can also use the real-time translation with 11 languages, which will help with language learning, language barriers, and with people who have any hearing impairment. It'll translate with text right in front of your eyes. If you have a speech or have to speak in public, the teleprompter feature will help make sure you know exactly what you want to say and not forget a thing. These look like a typical and nice looking pair of glasses, so they won't draw any negative attention. They look stylish and sleek. Whether you want to listen to music, read messages, navigate to where you want to go, or get help from the AI assistant with any tasks, these glasses will definitely help you take care of what you want. If you're looking for a pair of good looking and functioning AR glasses, I recommend you take a look at the MYVU AR Smart Glasses. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.